Quick question for you. Have you ever told yourself, this year I'm going to save more money? But somehow months go by and nothing really changes. You start the year motivated, then life happens. Bills, expenses, distractions, and suddenly your financial goals disappear. The problem isn't that you don't want to improve your finances. The problem is that most people don't know how to set financial goals in a way that actually works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set clear financial goals and, more importantly, how to actually achieve them without stress, guilt, or complicated systems. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. Here, we help you make smarter and calmer decisions with your money. We simplify saving, investing, budgeting, debt, and long-term wealth. No hype, no jargon. If you want money advice you can actually use, make sure you're subscribed. Let's start with something important. Without financial goals, money tends to disappear. You earn, you spend, and at the end of the month, you're left wondering where it all went. Financial goals give your money a direction. Instead of reacting to expenses, you start deciding in advance what your money should do for you. Goals turn money from something stressful into something intentional. Before we talk about saving or investing, you need clarity. Ask yourself, what do I actually want my money to help me achieve? This could be feeling secure with an emergency fund, getting out of debt, buying a home, investing for retirement, taking a stress-free vacation. Your goal should connect to your life, not someone else's idea of success. If the goal doesn't matter to you emotionally, you won't stick with it. Now here's where most people go wrong. They say things like, I want to save more. I want to be debt-free. I want to invest. Those aren't goals, they're wishes. A strong financial goal is specific and measurable. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I want to save $6,000 for an emergency fund in 12 months. Instead of, I want to pay off debt, say, I want to pay off $5,000 of credit card debt by the end of this year. Clarity creates commitment. Big goals feel overwhelming. That's why people quit. So don't focus on the full amount. Focus on the monthly target. If your goal is to save $6,000 in a year, that's $500 per month. If your goal is to invest $3,600 in a year, that's $300 per month. Small, consistent actions are easier to stick with, and they build momentum. Progress feels motivating, and motivation keeps you going. Now, let's make sure your goals actually fit your current income and lifestyle. Your goals should stretch you, but not suffocate you. If your goals are too aggressive, you'll feel frustrated and quit. If they're too easy, you won't grow. Look at your income and expenses honestly. Then choose goals that are realistic for your current stage of life. You can always increase them later. Consistency beats perfection every time. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is powerful. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings, from your checking account to investments, toward debt repayment. When money moves automatically, you don't rely on motivation or memory. Your goals start happening in the background, quietly and consistently. You don't need to check your finances every day. Instead, choose a simple rhythm. Weekly quick check, monthly deeper review. Ask yourself, did I hit my targets? What went well? What needs adjusting? Tracking keeps you aware, not stressed. Here's the truth no one talks about. You will mess up sometimes. An unexpected bill, a bad month, a missed goal. That doesn't mean you failed. One bad week or month doesn't erase progress. Adjust, learn, and keep going. That's how habits form. And habits are what actually build wealth. Let me quickly save you from a few common traps. Don't set too many goals at once. Focus on 1 to 3 priorities. Don't compare your goals to others. Your situation is unique.
Don't ignore enjoyment.
Your plan should allow for life, not punishment. A balanced plan is a sustainable plan. Here's what you can do today, not tomorrow. Write down 1 short-term goal, 1 medium-term goal, 1 long-term goal. Assign each one a monthly amount. Automate where possible. Review monthly. That's it. Simple, clear, actionable. Setting financial goals isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. When your money has a plan, your stress goes down and your confidence goes up. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and comment below. What's the one financial goal you're working toward right now? I'll see you in the next video.